you're on.
Hi, Simple Life Ministry, Lorna here, back at you with another video. Today, or it's night, well, today's video, sorry. Today's video is about ginger. And ginger is one of Jamaica's favorite drink. And I'm just thinking that when my daughter comes here, I always have to take her where I don't know if you guys remember where they have the block of ice and they would shave the ice with that thing and put it in the cup and pour the ginger beer all over it. What is it?
Snow cone.
A snow cone it's called. So, and it's
sky
so
juice.
Or sky juice. Yes, but it's so good, family. Ginger is so spicy and so good. But the thing is, it's not good for everybody, because if you have high blood pressure, you cannot have too many spicy things, too many hot pepper and ginger falls in that family. So some of the benefits for ginger is it helps with nausea. If you're not feeling well, feeling like you're going to have an upset stomach or you're going to vomit or anything, a cup of ginger tea, very good for that. It is good for weight loss. Did I say indigestion? It is good for digestion. So if you drink, sometimes you might have the wrong combination of food and you're not feeling so well after you finish eating, you can wait about 2 hours, because that's how long you should wait before you drink. And then you can have a cup of ginger tea. And I promise you, it will just settle everything. Another thing that I have used ginger for is to make a poultice. I had a pain in my shoulder here, and I blended up the ginger, put it in a cloth long enough to wrap whichever area is in pain. So it's good for pain. So use up the ginger. Oh, and if you want to have a good night rest too, if you make some ginger tea and sweeten it with honey, it puts you to sleep also like a baby. So now let's go and make some ginger beer. Okay. So I have in here some water already, and I'm gonna go ahead and just put. So this is like half a pound of ginger, or 3 cups. If you cannot get to weigh it, it amounts to 3 cups. Okay. Okay, family. Something I have to tell you now. This is the ginger. And so when you buy the ginger, you have to make sure. Some people like to scrape it, like to get the thing here and scrape it. I don't like to scrape it. I just take my brush and I just pull it apart like that. Sometimes you may see it like that. So I just pull it apart like that, family. And where you can get in the creases. And then you would just go in there with your brush as if you're washing a cloth. Like this part now, see how it has that curve? So you just pull it off so you could get in there, get inside. And that's how you would do it, wash it off over the sink. Once you do that, because I believe there are benefits in the skin. So don't, it's my preference. So after you wash it now, family, you would just cut it up and blend it. What I do after I blended it, family, I will just put it in the fridge overnight. I put it like this in the fridge to make it ferment to make it get stronger, because I don't want to strain it off right away and sweeten it and start drinking it, because you want the real flavor to marry and to come together. and get better and be good. So tomorrow now is when you would take, after 24 hours, you would take this out the fridge, you would strain it. What I do, I strain it with a cloth, and then after I strain it with the strainer, Simple Life, I strain it with a cloth to make sure I get, because you want it to be smooth and clean with no drugs inside. You can, after you strain it, you can put some more water and blend that over and strain it again. But I like it to be rich, so I for this one now, I only do it once. With the remaining of the trash of the ginger, you could save it, put it in the fridge. You could use it to cook and use it to make ginger tea. So this now is gonna go away into the fridge. It's recommended that you can put chew stick. You could put chew stick in here. Chew stick is something that I grew up seeing elders use it to clean their teeth. Or you could put clove or pimento inside, and that will heighten the flavor. But we're going simple. We're not going to do any of that. We're just going to put this in the fridge for overnight. Family, after, say this is tomorrow now, I take it out and I sweetened it. So this is sweetened. Very easy to make, family. Very simple. This is sweetened with honey. So you're going to need 2 cups of honey for this amount. And then you need lime juice. So lime juice, and so it's very simple. You need ginger, water, honey, lime juice, 4 items. So here we have it now, family. If you just drink it like this, it's no fun. You need to have it, as they would say, on the ice. Have it on the ice so that. Oh. Another way you can make this, you could put half ginger and half pineapple. Oh, that is amazing. You could, even when you peel your pineapple, to make pineapple, to eat the pineapple, save the trash and just blend them up and just use it to mix with your ginger beer, both of them, and it's another wonderful drink. So here we go, family. Oh, this video was requested by Marvet. So Marvet, I hope this was simple enough. I hope that you try it, and I hope that you will be glad that you asked me to do this video for you. Do not make it too, see how, family, you can see everything is, things like these are nice when you put the ice on it. Already you can see, right, family, by just looking. Here, sweetie.
Thank you. Cheers.
Oh, this is good. This is good. And it was sweetened with honey. You don't need, that's another reason why you don't want to make it too watery. You want it to be rich, because the lemon juice is going to water it down, and the 2 cups of honey is going to water it down. So you want to make it rich enough so that when you put these in there, it still has that body. So family, thank you for coming. It's really, really good. Thank you for coming. Thank you for subscribing, sharing, and commenting. And get some ginger. Always have some ginger around, especially in this here time of pandemic. The ginger is good to have. So bye for now, family.